Uh-oh, low tire pressure. And that light's on. Oh no. I didn't want to do this video, but I guess I'm going to have to. And I'm going to show you how to fix it. All right, so the first thing you're going to do, obviously, is figure out which tire it is. All right, now I already did that, and I already started doing this job, and I figured I might as well video it while I'm doing it. So I'm pulling it off. Now I got to figure out what the deal is. What's the problem? So I kind of go around and I kind of feel around, kind of look at it. Yeah, that's my problem right there. That right there is the issue. So now I just gotta do a tire plug on it. All right, so one thing that I like to do before you get too crazy into fixing this, you can see my nails right here. When you pull that out, it's gonna be hard to see that sometimes. So just take yourself a marker, kind of mark where it is. Just gonna grab some pliers. Wow, that was in there. And look at that, that whole nail was in there. Let's use the plug kit here, all right? So if you look at these kits, sometimes they got a little file that's kind of like that. Sometimes they got one like this. And they always kind of have one of these deals, right? These are from different type of plug kits, right? And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna round out this hole. All right, we're kind of filing this thing down. The reason we're doing this is so you have a nice hole to go back into. Right? That's why I'm kind of doing a nice job on this. So basically what I'm going to use is, I bought these kits years ago, and some of them are better than others. This one here, I think went together. I think I had one of these for that kit. But I bought multiple kits over the years, and obviously the plugs are gone. I've used so many of these in dirt bike ATV type tires that I save the tools. I just seem to have to go buy plugs a lot. So these kits are at Walmart that you could buy the whole kit for like $5-6, maybe $7. The plugs themselves, I think, were like $2, and I get some glue. You don't necessarily always need the glue. I like to use the glue when I'm doing it. So if you can hear it, that it's still there, it's still full. So let's pop this baby open, all right? And I don't know if anybody ever showed you, right there's the thing to pierce these things. All right. So that's in there really nice. So now we're gonna get one of these prepared. I kind of like this kind because you can get a good hand on it, but sometimes this kind's even better. It's just how tough of a tire you're going through, and just one of those things. Now these things are really messy. You can get, there's another kind that's like a yellow, maybe orangey color. There's black ones. And you basically just stick it in here. If you look at the way the tool is, you stick it in that slot, and really this one here works very well. This one here, I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but let's try it out. So when I'm doing it, I'll take this baby and I'll like douse it in this stuff, right? You don't necessarily have to, but I like to do that. I like to just cake it with this rubber cement. And you got time. The rubber cement, it'll clean up. All right, let's pull this baby out and then shove this one in. Okay. So, you see I've got it in there. Now, I should be able to just kind of turn it and pull this baby out. And I'm not going to be able to do this time, am I? Yeah, here it is. So what you're going in, you go in and you turn it to get that thing off there. I could probably shove it in a little bit more. And the reality is, I'm pretty much done. All right, so I'm basically gonna cut this off. I'm gonna leave a little bit out. So right here's my plug. Might be off the camera, but let's fire this up. Throw some air in it and see if it holds.